In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use my templates in Outlook Web. If you send similar emails again and again, this built-in feature can save you time and keep your messages consistent. We'll walk through how to access the My Templates add-in while you're composing, how to insert a template exactly where you need it, and how to send your message with just a few clicks. Start by opening Outlook on the web and clicking New Message. This creates a fresh Compose window where you'll add recipients, a subject, and your message body. It's a good idea to place your cursor in the message area before you bring in a template, because the text will appear wherever the cursor is positioned. If you want your template to show at the top, click in the top of the body. If you want it in the middle of a draft you've started, click right where you want it to land. In the New Message window, look for the Apps or Add-ins option in the toolbar. The wording can vary slightly, but it's usually near the formatting tools. If you don't see it at first glance, select the three dots to expand more options. From there, choose My Templates. This opens a handy pane on the right side of your screen that lists the templates available to you. Think of this pane as your shortcut library for reusable content, like standard greetings, common replies, or frequently used instructions. When the pane opens on the right, click the template you want to use. The moment you click, Outlook will insert the template's text exactly where your cursor is in the message body. Take a second to review what was inserted and make any tweaks you need. For example, you might personalize the greeting, adjust any dates or details, or add context specific to your recipient. The beauty here is that the structure and main wording are done for you, so edits are quick and straightforward. Once your template text is in place, fill in your recipients and send. Add addresses in the To, CC, or BCC fields as needed, and include a clear subject line if you haven't already. A quick proofread to confirm names, dates, and details are correct is always worth the extra moment. When everything looks good, click Send, and you're done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.